Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. I'm Tan Perez. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Bulacan. I am currently working as a host at PCSO at PTV Network. I am also a commercial model, a runway model, and a print ad model. I have been on Bulacan 2022 and my talent is singing. Yeah.
General.
Alam ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo? Nararamdaman ng bigla ng puso. Aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa akin. And I'm hoping to become your next Mr. Grand Philippines.
Tan, we wouldn't mind kung tapusin mo yung kanta. Okay, judges, for your questions.
Hello. My question is, how do you define love?
How do I define love? Grabe yung For me, it's limitless. For me, ang daming sakop ng love. We can show love to our families, to our friends, to our special someone. And para sa akin, hindi lang siya romantic love. Ang daming bagay na pwedeng ipakita natin yung love sa ibang tao. And for me, that's unlimited and beyond the world.
Yes, follow-up question about love. So sabi mo unlimited yung love, so it means unconditional at the same time. So okay ba sa'yo magkaroon ka relasyon with the third sex? Is it okay for you to have a relationship with the third sex?
For me, at
the
this point-
LGBTQ lahat.
Yeah, for me at this point, depende siguro. Sometimes, pag nagmahal tayo, meron tayong mga personal standards and beliefs. Pero biglang darating na lang yung tao na to without, parang hindi siya pasok sa standard mo, hindi siya yung typical na recent relationship na nanggaling ka, pero biglang out of nowhere, biglang mahal mo siya. For me, kung mahal mo siya tao, you have to push for it.
It doesn't matter what the gender is,
Yeah.
basta may spark.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. When did you realize that you can monetize your body in your face?
No. Siguro nung nag-graduate ako ng college. Because nung nag-aaral pa ako, I graduated Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. So napakalayo sa tinitake ko na path right now. Nung college ako, akala ko doon na ako kita. Yun yung may regular na job ka, may regular na income. Pero nung nag-graduate ako, may mga opportunities na dumating. I started modeling, I started posting. And then laking advantage nung may looks ka. And may complete package para magkaroon ng work and maka-earn. I just realized na sometimes in life, we don't have to follow a certain path. Kung ano yung gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo. Kasi sometimes yun yung mas magbibigay sa'yo ng pera. And yes, mas magiging dedicated ka to earn more and to progress.
Thank you.
Sige, since pinag-uusapan ng love dito sa table para sa iyo, laliman ko ng konti. So, you're a very good speaker, siguro it speaks about you being TV anchor. So, kung papipiliin ka, love o pera, anong pipiliin?
Ang hirap nun. Pero sige, if I really have to choose between love and money, right now at this point, I would choose money. Ligit sa kalaman ng lahat, I'm a breadwinner. Actually, dad ka na dyan. Love you, daddy. Ako yung nagsusupport sa family namin right now. And I cannot afford to lose my job, to lose my career because of love. Right now, kailangan ako ng family ko, kailangan ako ng future self ko. So, mas focus muna ako sa sarili ko. And yeah, iisipin ko muna yung career and yung future na pwedeng maging hahaharapan ko.
If you reduce Mr. Grand Philippines, what is your advocacy?
Well, currently I'm working with Aklan Pagkasa. It is in Mandaluyong City where you're helping children from poor families in Mandaluyong City, from different barangays in Mandaluyong City. At yung mga bata na galing sa sobrang hirap na pamilya, na yung mga parents nila, wala na silang capacity to have the luxury of time to teach them. Kasi they have to work day and night to provide for their families. And for me, napakagandang bagay na that we are able to give them at least knowledge, the basic knowledge that they need for them to cope up with their studies.
Since magawa ka ng mga charity works pa, so do you have any plans of joining politics soon?
Sa ngayon, wala pa sa isip ko siya. Pero maybe pagka mas nakita ko pa kung yung purpose na, greater purpose na para sa akin, maybe I can take that path as well.
Thank you, candidate number 48.
Thank you so much, Tan. So,